YouTube, still at the zoo. Columbus Zoo on deck. About to take this train ride. Say hello. Say what up, YouTube. Got Evie. Hello. YouTube, we on. Lil D, say what up. Sit back. Sit back. Train is taking off. Train. I think we got some more passengers about to get on. I don't know for sure.
I didn't think anybody else was coming.
Look, sit back. Family Sunday. Little boy, put your glasses on. That's some Marshall right here. You got them on upside down. They don't care. Happy Halloween, everybody. A little short video. What's going on with everybody on this Sunday?
We got 7 here, and there's 2 already gone.
We out. Well, motivation, what's going on, man? I'm out here at the Columbus Zoo, having fun. About to take this train ride. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to fit. I just hope I don't tip the train over. You know, I'm a 400-pound man. So I just say 400-pound gorilla. But what up, YouTube, man? What's going on? Yeah. Y'all have a good one. I'll probably be posting more videos though. Little Evie right there. Evie! How you doing? There's my little lady right there. That's Lil D. Sit down. This little boy don't listen. But about to take this train ride. Let's see that. There we out, man. Train about to take off here soon, I believe. But we out here in the wilderness or so. So yeah, I'm out, man. Be posting videos all day. So what's going on?